Alright, so my name is Naim. My name is Asif. My name is Zul.
Hi guys, did you know what is narrow-body aircraft? Narrow-body aircraft can be defined as a type of passenger airplane that has only one aisle inside the cabin. It is usually used for short to medium distance flights and carries fewer passengers compared to wide-body aircraft. And did you know that Airbus A320 is the most widely used aircraft in the aviation world? It is because of its fuel efficiency, advanced technology like fly-by-wire system, and because the pilots commonality about the A320. And talking about the A320, in this video, we will discuss about A320-200, about the flight deck instrument, their locations, and their function in assisting pilot during flight.
Alright, so guys, we are gonna go through the objective first. So there are 3 objectives that we want to achieve when you watch this video. Alright, so first objective, we want to identify the flight deck instrument at the Airbus A320-200, such as engine displays and also primary flight display.
Secondly, the objective of this video is to explain the function of the flight instrument and how they help pilot control the aircraft during flight. Lastly, to show how flight instruments work together with modern cockpit technology to help pilot fly more safely. That's it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zulfadli, and now I will explain about the flight deck of the Airbus A320-200. The Airbus A320-200 is a modern glass cockpit designed to improve efficiency and safety. It uses advanced digital displays instead of traditional analog instruments. In front of each pilot, there are 2 main screens, which is the primary flight displays, which shows important flight information such as airspeed, altitude, and aircraft through altitude. Next to it is a navigation display, which provides route information, weather radar, and traffic awareness. At the center, there are 2 ECAM screens that monitor the aircraft system and displays any warnings or failures. This helps pilot quickly understand and respond to the problem. Above the main panel is the flight control unit, where the pilot controls the autopilot, including speed, heading, and altitude. Between the pilot is the MCDU, which is used to enter the flight plan and manage the flight through the computer system. Instead of traditional control column, the A320 uses side stick controller, allowing pilot to control the aircraft electronically through a fly-by-wire system.
So my name is Muhammad Afif Naufal. My number metric is 1004. So today we are going to present about the overview for the engine display. Let's go. The engine display is used to show the status of an aircraft engines. So in the Airbus A320-200, this engine display is part of the ECAM, and also it displayed on the upper ECAM display. And this system uses a glass cockpit. So the main function of the engine display is to provide important information about the engines and can detect problem early at the engines. Alright, next I'm gonna present about the content, discussion, and example for the engine display. Let's go. Alright, so we go to the instrument and functionalities. So N1 indicates the fan speed and is used to control thrust, while N2 represents the core engine speed. EGT monitors the engine temperature to prevent overheating, and fuel flow shows the rate of fuel consumption. The engine display of the Airbus A320-200 is located on the upper ECAM display in the cockpit. It is part of glass cockpit system where all information is shown digitally instead of analog instrument. This modern system provides real-time data and can automatically generate warnings, helping pilots respond quickly and improve flight safety. Next, we go to the example for the engine display. So, when AGT is too high, the ECAM system will warn the pilot, and the pilot will reduce thrust to avoid engine damage. Number two is when oil pressure is low, ECAM will warn the pilot, and the pilot will take action to prevent serious damage on the engine.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ninai Meka bin Ubaidillah. My metric number is 1116. I want to explain about navigation display. Navigation display is a modern cockpit instrument that shows real-time navigation information. The function of the navigation display is to display the aircraft position and flight route. The navigation display has a different mode such as map mode and ROS mode. Those modes help pilot view navigation information in different way. The technology of navigation display is a digital system connected to the flight management system. Example of this aircraft that use navigation display is Airbus A320. The advantage of navigation display is easy to read and understand. It improve flight safety and reduce pilot would. In conclusion, the Airbus A320-200 flight deck use modern digital instrument to assist pilot during flight. The aircraft is equipped with advanced systems such as glass cockpit, which replace traditional analog gauge with digital display.
And in addition, this instrument provides important flight information including navigation, flight altitude, and engine performance. For example, the engine display allows pilot to monitor engine parameters such as N1 speed, EGT, fuel flow, and oil pressure. Overall, this system helps improve flight safety, efficiency, and accuracy in modern aviation operation. That's all from us. Thank you and bye-bye.